Hello guys, please wishlist the game the vessel curse below, and if you want to support us, of course, all the links is below. Thank you so much, and let's start the video. Okay, right now we're gonna talk about timing and spacing. So I'm gonna take the same exercise we did and apply that and make a new exercise. Okay, so what I want timing and spacing. So basically spacing, it's the speed the animation basically. So let's activate onion skin so we can really see that. So let's make this frame here, the space between this frame and the next frame, very far away. Okay, so very far away. As you see, this is the first frame, this is the second frame, and here the third frame, it's gonna be very close to the frame number 2, and the number 4, it's gonna be very close again. 5, it's gonna be like fast or whatever. We can even like make a smear frame. I will explain that later. This is very good technique to use in pixel art. You're gonna escape a lot of hard work using this technique. You just need to understand it. And here we have the impact again, but we really need to make the last frame and the first frame very close. If we didn't do that, we're gonna have a gap, or the animation is not, it doesn't be clear. So let's play and see how it works. Okay, so as you see, the ball is takes more time in the sky and very small time in the ground. How we can make the ball stay on the ground more? Again, the space between each frame. So let's add a new frame here. Okay, and this frame's gonna be similar to the first frame, something like this. So the concept of spacing and timing, they are really completing each other. So the ball is impacting the ground or smashing the ground or something, so it's complete the another one. So let's try again. So as you see, okay, so the ball takes some time in the ground and some time in the sky. If we want to make it very slow, we're gonna need more frames. So we're gonna add another frame here, remove this ball here, so make it. So as you see, so this is the spacing. So we have only 1 pixel, as the space is only 1 pixel, so it takes more time here. So let's keep it the same size. So only the shape is changing, so the form is changing, so we can go down here. Should be like something like this here. Boom, boom, boom. We can even like give it some another frame here. So play. As you see, okay, so right now we have a feeling, like there is a feeling of boom, boom, like there is a momentum and there is a feeling, and this is how you can have a very good animation. As you see, so we only applied 2 principles right now and the animation is already looking good. So the squash and stretch and timing and spacing. Of course there is some anticipation here and there is some smear, so there is basically the basics. There is everything almost is there, but we only focused on squash and stretch and the timing and spacing. Okay, so let's hide this and let's just open another frame, another canva. So new layer here. So timing and spacing. So let's take a ball here, activate onion skin, new frame. Okay, so we're gonna move with only 1 pixel right now. Another frame again, only 1 pixel. Another frame, only 1 pixel. Another frame. So let's go here. Okay, no, not let's even go here. Okay, so another frame, 1 pixel, another frame, 1 pixel, another frame, 1 pixel, and go back. Okay, so this is basically time and spacing and timing. Okay, so the ball is working very slow because the space between each frame is only 1 pixel, but the moment we have a lot of difference in the space between each frame, it's moving fast. That's it. So we can link it by doing this, like this. Okay, so so it looks like a punch. If you see it clearly, it looks like a punch. So this is a very good exercise I want you to do. This is the exercise for today. It's very simple. Like just draw some frames and try to have just a similar spacing and try just play. Like there is really no rules to this exercise. Play freestyle. Like more you freestyle, more you really learn and understand how to do it. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.